450 miles, a trip through beautiful Delaware State Forest, over the Delaware River here to Montague, New Jersey, to Scotty's Automotive Service. This is Eric. I'm an ASE certified master automobile technician on a journey to find out what the best shops in America call the secrets to their success. Scotty's Automotive, it's their Autel equipment. They've got scan tools, they've got TPMS equipment. They're known in the area for their diagnostic abilities. People come from miles around to see what they can do. So come on, let's go check it out.
Scotty's Automotive started back in 2009. So we've been in business for 17 years right here in the same area, different building, but same area. We have 3 technicians, 6 bays, service advisor, office manager, and we love Autel. With the Autel, it's pretty seamless, pretty simple, very easy to use.
We have a couple TPMS tools. We have at least 2 scanners. We do have the Maxi scanner, and that one by far is my favorite.
Once you start going through everything and getting into the different pages, it becomes a little bit easier, and the systems are just so much nicer, how fast it works. Definitely better than a lot of the smaller no-name brand ones.
The ergonomics of the scanner is just right on point. I mean, anything that you need is a finger tap away. If you don't think you're like where you need to be, like on the right screen, I mean, it'll take you there. I think it'd be really easy for somebody who's new to the field to navigate it, even for us guys who have been in the field for a while.
We can do all of the programming that we need to do in-house, whereas before, sometimes we'd actually have to tow a vehicle to the dealership, have it programmed, then send 2 people over to pick it up. Just that alone right there is a huge time saver.
Yeah, remote expert, we go on remote expert. We have a guy on there that we use every time, so we request him every time. And we use it for more than just GMs. We use it for absolutely any module replacement that we do here, we use. It's really better for us because we can give the customer like a dealership experience just a lot closer to home and at a better price.
Brake pad service mode, to retract the electronic calipers, that's like the easiest one to get into, and just plug it in, and pretty much it's just a press of a button and you could just retract the pistons and calipers. And TPMS, obviously, that's my favorite one. The newer ones have the topology report that just does full system scans and tells you where all your faults are right away.
I personally do like it for its diagnostic capabilities and all the PID lists and stuff like that, so I can see multiple values at the same time. I personally use it for CAN bus diagnostics a lot. Living in a rural area where we are, we do get a lot of mice in vehicles, so lots of wires chewed, and unfortunately it's CAN bus wires most of the time, so we're using the topology screen almost every day, and it's just a really good tool to find where to start, you know, so you're not wasting too much time.
We have the TPMS scan tool to reprogram to the car, and then we also have a neat new tool basically able for us or the technician to verify the tire depth and brakes. So we have that new cool tool, so we've been utilizing that. You can just upload it right to the repair order and then get all the information about the tire specs. Just gives them like an exact accurate reading on their tires, so not really no guessing. No need for this guy anymore, the tire gauge. So that's been great. Everything's electronic. It's just super easy, user-friendly. And then same thing with me, like it's very easy for me, for someone who's not a technician, to be able to get tire information and then upload that to our RO.
Overall, yeah, probably the brakes and the TPMS are my favorite.
It's the only tool that doesn't give us an issue. We've used all the different ones in the past. I mean, over the last 12 years, I could probably name off 5 different companies that came through and disappeared, and Autel's the only one that stuck.
Some didn't want to program, some were supposedly, you know, they automatically program and then they wouldn't, and you'd have a light come back on. With the Autels, you just pop them in there, walk around, scan tool, you're in and out.
We use it for every TPMS issue, diagnostic, checking battery life, reprogramming, you name it. It's really the only option moving forward for diagnostics and TPMS.
Great products, great customer service, which that's a big thing. Sometimes, you know, you can't get through to some people. They're really quick to get back to you.
Most everybody I know already is using Autel, but I would definitely say it's a good value for the price and very efficient.
Generally, every experience I have with an Autel product or scanner tool is flawless from start to finish.
It's affordable, reliable, and easy to use. Can't beat that.